hotel, not only for this visually impaired.
So today's session is basically to be able to sensitize our community in Kajiado County to understand what is their role, how can they participate meaningfully, how can they get involved with other stakeholders like the tourism sector, the hospitality sector, community-based tourism organizations and community leaders.
Na tungeomba serikali na wale wengine wahusika waweze kutupa nafasi hata na sisi tuhusike katika kitengo hiyo.
So many tourists come in Kenya and in our county, so we need to take this opportunity and also ask our county government to also have good structures and implement the laws and the act.
The training is involving the persons with disability to ensure that they know their rights as from the Person with Disability Act 2025, to also be able to be involved in tourism ecosystem.